Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix HP touchpad not working in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is look at your touchpad. You can see there a small circle or a small button. Just double tap it. You can see there at the upper left corner of your touchpad. Just try to double tap it and check if your touchpad is now working again because you might have accidentally touched it and that's why it's not working. Okay, and let's say if you have double tapped it and still your touchpad is not working, then let's move on to the second step, which is you need to press Windows and I key together. Okay, and the moment you click on that, your settings will be opened. Okay, so you can use actually a mouse so that you'll be able to use your cursor. Okay, here you need to go with system. Okay, so you can see here at the left side of my screen, which is next to home, and scroll down, then look for troubleshoot. Once you find it, click on open and go with other troubleshooters, which is in the third options. Okay, click on it. And here you need to look for keyboard. In my case, I don't have any, but in your case, you have that. Okay. So in case if you have that, click on run to run the troubleshooters. So mostly once you run the troubleshooters in your computer, the issue will be fixed. Okay. Just have to restart your computer and I'm sure it will be fixed. And let's say if you don't have the keyboard troubleshoot just like mine, then let's close this and let's proceed to the third step, which is we need to open the device manager. Simply do a right click at the start icon, scroll up and go look for device manager. Click on it. And the moment you opened your device manager, just expand it. And here you need to look for mice and other pointing devices. Click in forward arrow to see more. And the moment you click on that, you will be able to see your mouse driver. Here you need to select it, do a right click, and go for update driver. Here, in this window, you will be up to choose two options. You can go with automatically and manually. Let's go with the automatically search for drivers. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply close this and do a right click again and go for update driver. And this time you need to go for browse my computer, browse for drivers on your computer. Here you need to select the second one. And in this manner, you are rolling back the driver. You just have to select one by one and try it by clicking next and check if what fixed for you. I mean, what driver works for you. Okay? Just check one by one and again, check if what works for you. Okay? So once done, check if your problem has been fixed. And let's say if it doesn't, then go back here at the device manager and go for human interface. Okay, here, human interface devices. Click this forward arrow, and here you would be able to see the touchpad options. Okay, so in my case, I don't see the touchpad driver in my computer, but if in your case you have that, simply click on that. Let's say, for example, this is a touchpad driver. Do a right click and update driver, and go with search for automatically drivers. Then if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then click this backward arrow and go with this browse my computer for drivers. Then click this second one and here just try rolling back the driver to its current state by selecting one by one. Again, I'm just showing you how. This is not the touchpad driver itself. I'm just showing you what the steps are. Okay, then click on next and restart your computer and check if your touchpad has been fixed. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the last and important step, which is we need to open our command prompt. How we can do that, at the bottom search bar, type CMD, and the moment you typed it, the best match will appear. Click on Run as Administrator to run the command prompt. The moment you click on that, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you will be redirected here in this window. Here you need to input the command, which is sfc space forward slash scan now. Make sure that you have typed a correct command and make sure that all letters are in lowercase and then click enter to continue. Once you have click on enter, your system will start to scan. This process will take some time. So this process will surely fix all the problems, the issues that you have encountered in your in your Windows, just like touchpad not working. Okay, you just have to wait until the verification is completed and make sure that you leave this command prompt open and don't turn off your computer so that you will not be able to disrupt the process. Okay, once done, simply close this window and click here and restart your computer. I'm sure your touchpad will now be working perfectly fine. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.